Then once again we will be showing our face, and at that time we will be able to recognize. It doesn't mean that it is working wrong. It is taking a time and it will be undergoing from various layers. Finally it is able to produce the result. When some features are going very well, some features are a little deviating, that thing will be processed by the next consecutive layers. Finally the output is produced. So this is how our neural network works. Clear? So this is to give you just an idea about neural network only. Let us see, this class is not to go in depth about this. So we will just see what are all the advantages of neural networks. Advantages of neural networks, where it can be used, and why we are preferring neural networks. So I can say the advantages are adaptive learning. Adaptive learning. That is one of the advantages. Like every time I don't have to train. I don't have to train. So if I give just instruction like if it is a human body, it will be like that only. Okay. So that will be the common instruction I will be feeding it. Later every time whether it is a human or it is an animal, for that is Vijay or Abhishek